new topic, which is the assemble. So assemble, or the A, so assemble is used to encode or write instruction to memory. So whenever you write an instruction to the memory, that will be considered as the code segment. Okay. So assemble enables you to write instruction to assembly language. So this is also a variable. Depending on the instruction, it will determine how much memory it will occupy. How much, which means is the size of memory to occupy. Okay, so as you can see, you may also assemble the program with different parameters. So you can specify the entry address, or you can have also with A. So with A, with assemble alone, so say for example, you have A100. If you type in hey again, so the next instruction will be inputted at this memory location where it was last, the next address, available address. So you may also assemble in another segment. So you just have to specify the data segment or the segment address itself. So for an example, we have here assemble. So I'll just clear the screen. So we have here assemble at memory location 100 with data move AH2. Okay, so that means we are saving data value of 2 to the lower accumulator. So move DL 41 and interrupt 21H. So in this case, what we do, so we are assigning or we are saving an immediate value to the higher accumulator. So we will be discussing more of this when we go to the register command. Okay, so my point here is that whenever the instruction, so the size of your memory location will be based on the instruction. So the move immediate value to a register has a 2 byte. How do you know? Because from 100, it says you have here a 102. So move DL41 also is a 2 byte. So from 102, it becomes 104. Interrupt 21H is 2 bytes with 106. Okay, so to verify that, we may use also the unassemble. So unassemble, so just like when you enter a data to the memory, how do you do that? What command do you use? So you either use the enter, fill, or move. Okay, how do you see the content of the data or the content of the memory location? You use the dump. So in instruction, for you to be able to write an instruction to the memory, you use the assemble. And for you to be able to see the content of the code segment, we use the unassemble. So we have here the unassemble. So unassemble memory location 100. So as you can see here, okay, it shows you the given program. So move AH2, 2 bytes. So this is the first byte, second byte. Okay, this is memory location 100. This is the memory location 02. Okay, and then we have also the DL41. Okay, so DL41, so this is the memory location 102, 104, 103, so 104 and 105. Now, so if you will display that particular content, memory location 100, so as you can see, 100 is before is 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. Okay? Now, so if you want to only, so say for example, you would only want to output this part. You don't want to see this. So what is the command? So what is the command? command to display the instruction or program. Okay. So to do that, we do the unassemble. So we have unassemble at memory location 100 and 105. So it shows you the program itself. So the extra program, it is not shown. Now, so as you can see here, so if you have move AH2, this is what we consider. So this particular part is the machine code. So this is the one that is really written in the memory. So this is what we call the mnemonic or the assembly language code. Okay? Okay, so if, say for example, I would like to assemble, okay, assemble again. So as you can see, it continues with 106. So if I want to move a particular content, so move content of the BX to DX, okay, so how many? 2 bytes. So say for example, I would like to move, compare the content of DX with 0, okay, so how many bytes is this? So 108, 109, 10A, 10B. So it has 4 bytes. Correct? So 108, 109, 10A, and 10B. So say for example, I would like to multiply whatever the content of BL. So 0B, 0C, and 0D. And then if I would like to do no operation, it is only one instruction. So depending on the instruction that you're using, that's the number of bytes it will occupy the memory. Okay, so we will be discussing more of the instruction set when we go there. So our concentration here is the different command that we can use for the assembly language. Okay, so for your exercise, okay, I would like you to write a program. So write a program that will save in BX the value 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal. Okay, base 10. Okay, and copy the BX to AX. Okay, so that will be your activity.